cars, bro. Welcome to the channel. If you like fast cars, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Want to show you the first cosmetic change I made. Installed these royal blue seat belts. Think they came out great. Got some big plans for this car. We got to get rid of these Scat Pack seats. A lot more changes coming up. We're gonna make this thing look nice. It's gonna be fast, and we're gonna make some great content. So if you love fast cars, especially Hellcats, give it a like and subscribe, please. Appreciate it, brother.